Today, we are excited to bring you some underwater inventions. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Zapata Flyboard. The Zapata Flyboard is a high-powered water-propelled device that allows riders to soar above water, perform aerial tricks, and dive with agility. Designed by Zapata Racing, it connects to a jet ski via a hose, using water pressure for lift and control. Popular in extreme sports and aquatic entertainment, the Flyboard offers a thrilling experience for adventure seekers, requiring balance, skill, and safety precautions for an exhilarating ride. Sea Air. Sea Air is a revolutionary tankless diving system designed for underwater exploration without the need for heavy scuba tanks. It utilizes a compact, surface-supplied air system, allowing divers to breathe freely through a hose connected to a floating air unit. Ideal for recreational diving, snorkeling, and underwater maintenance, Sea Air offers greater mobility, ease of use, and extended dive times. Its lightweight and innovative design make diving more accessible and enjoyable for enthusiasts of all levels. AquaBreather Hydroid. The AquaBreather Hydroid is an innovative, futuristic diving system designed to provide a seamless underwater breathing experience. Unlike traditional scuba gear, it features a self-contained, rebreather-style design that eliminates bulky tanks, offering improved mobility and extended dive times. Engineered for both recreational and professional divers, the Hydroid enhances underwater exploration with advanced filtration and oxygen management. Its sleek, ergonomic build ensures comfort and efficiency, making diving more intuitive and enjoyable. SubCruise. The SubCruiser is a state-of-the-art wearable underwater jet propulsion system designed for divers, military personnel, and underwater explorers. Combining jet boots and a compact scooter, it enhances mobility and speed beneath the surface, allowing users to glide effortlessly through water. Featuring hands-free operation, high-powered thrusters, and ergonomic design, SubCruiser enables extended dives with minimal effort. Ideal for professional and recreational use, it revolutionizes underwater movement with agility and efficiency. Oceanet Ultra. The Oceanet Ultra is an advanced underwater navigation and communication system designed for military, commercial, and scientific applications. Engineered by Oceanet, Ultra enhances diver situational awareness, real-time data sharing, and stealthy underwater operations. It integrates cutting-edge sonar, AI-driven positioning, and encrypted communication to function in GPS-denied environments. Ideal for special operations, underwater exploration, and maritime security, Ultra provides a rugged, reliable, and efficient solution for modern underwater missions. SUEX77. The SUEX77 is a high-performance underwater scooter, DPV, diver propulsion vehicle, designed for both recreational and professional divers. Manufactured by SUEX, it offers exceptional speed, maneuverability, and extended battery life, making it ideal for deep diving, cave exploration, and technical missions. With a lightweight yet durable build, the 77 ensures smooth and efficient propulsion, reducing diver fatigue while enhancing underwater mobility for an unparalleled diving experience. SmackOS 700 Max. The SmackOS 700 Max is a high-performance diving regulator designed for serious divers. Featuring an advanced piston system, it delivers smooth and consistent airflow at varying depths. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability in challenging underwater environments. The ergonomic design offers comfort, and the compact size makes it easy to handle. The S700 Max is an ideal choice for both recreational and professional divers seeking a dependable, high-quality regulator. Diveroid. Diveroid is a cutting-edge diving technology designed to enhance the diving experience. It functions as a smartphone-based dive computer, using an app that connects to a diver's mobile device. With features like real-time depth, time tracking, air pressure monitoring, and dive logs, Divoroid provides accurate data for divers. It's compact, easy to use, and allows for efficient dive planning and safety. Ideal for recreational divers, it offers an affordable, tech-savvy alternative to traditional dive computers. Argonaut 3. The Argonaut 3 is a premium, high-performance rebreather designed for serious divers and technical exploration. Known for its advanced technology, the Argonaut 3 offers exceptional gas management, efficient oxygen monitoring, and customizable settings for deep dives. Its compact, lightweight design ensures maximum mobility without compromising on functionality. Built with durability in mind, it is ideal for professional divers who require precision, reliability, and ease of use in challenging underwater environments. Fin Clip. Fin Clip is a revolutionary diving accessory designed to securely attach fins to a diver's gear for convenience and ease of use. It helps prevent the hassle of losing or misplacing fins while on the go, making it easier to manage your diving equipment. The Fin Clip features a sturdy, quick-release mechanism that allows divers to easily clip and unclip their fins when needed, adding efficiency to dive preparations and transitions. It's a practical solution for divers seeking organization and ease during their diving adventures. Thank you for watching this gadget-filled adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on the latest tech trends.